The wait is over. As mentioned in our previous video, the iQOO Z5 5G smartphone was launched in India a little while ago. Consumers can get that through Amazon as it offers some special deals as it was launched on its festival sale. The iQOO smartphones available in India will be available at relatively discounted pricing during the forthcoming Amazon Great Indian Festival Sale 2021. In this video we going to look after the specification and overview of new iQOO Z5 5G.
Welcome to TechB. Let's get started.
The new iQOO Z5 5G is already available in China in 3 storage models. The design specified that teased a triple rear camera setup. The new phone will succeed iQOO Z3 5G that launched in India a few months ago. The India-specific model will likely share similarities with its Chinese sibling. When we look into its display, it has a larger 6.67-inch LCD screen, with Full HD plus 108 and 0/2 400 pixels resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and HDR support. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G SoC paired with Adreno 642L GPU, up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 GB storage of internal memory. The smartphone supports dual SIM cards and runs Android 11 based Origin OS 1.0 out of the box. It has a triple rear cameras come inside a rectangular module that adopts a black finish. The rear camera system on iQOO Z5 5G houses a 64-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. At the front, there's a 16-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls, housed inside a hole punch hole cutout. Other notable features include 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5.1 GHz, and 5.8 GHz, Bluetooth V5.2, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is very rare to see in recent smartphones. The iQOO Z5 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery with 44 watts flash charge fast charging support via USB Type-C port. In the meanwhile, if you haven't followed us on our social media, please do follow cause you could get the instance update and stuffs regularly. I have provided the links of it in the description for your convenience. Let's get back to video now.
The new iQOO Z5 5G is priced at 23,990 rupees for 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, whereas the other variant of 12 GB of RAM with 256 GB of internal storage is priced at 26,990 rupees.
As it was launched today, I will try to get the device and post the unboxing video of it soon. That's it for now guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell button. I'll see you in next video.